when you're in Kinemaster, if how to make button speed. If you put it in normal without this one, that will be wrong. You need to this one to the negative 12. It's easy to make button speed. You can hear here. There's so many clips. It's like 1x speed only.
Every 2 seconds to decades. Yes, before we start, I need 60 subscribers to make a special video. Subscribe please because no preset chance to reach 100. Anyway,
there are a lot of 1x speed that because it's easy to make. So joy. If you want to make 1x speed, so let's go to the 2x speed. Then you negative 12 to give it. Enjoy.